These theories serve as the foundation for effective educational administration and are essential for understanding and solving issues in educational settings. 1. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Abraham Maslow, 1943. Theory. Describes a 5-tier model of human needs, from basic physiological needs to self-actualization. Relevance. In education management, this theory is useful for understanding student motivation and how teachers and school leaders can meet both the basic and higher-level needs of students and staff. 2. Herzberg's two-factor theory. Frederick Herzberg, 1959. Theory. Proposes that job satisfaction and dissatisfaction are influenced by 2 factors: motivators, achievement, recognition, and hygiene factors, salary, working conditions. Relevance. Used in educational leadership to analyze staff motivation, improve teacher satisfaction, and create better working environments in schools. 3. Theory X and Theory Y. Douglas McGregor, 1960. Theory. Describes 2 contrasting views of human workers. Theory X assumes employees are inherently lazy and need control, while Theory Y assumes employees are self-motivated and seek responsibility. Relevance. Important in leadership styles, as it helps educational managers choose appropriate leadership and management strategies for motivating staff and managing schools effectively. 4. Transformational leadership theory. James McGregor Burns, 1978. Theory. Emphasizes leaders who inspire and motivate followers to achieve higher levels of performance, transforming both the leader and followers through a shared vision. Relevance. Applied in educational management to foster leadership that encourages innovation, collaboration, and long-term improvement within schools. 5. Transactional leadership theory. Max Weber, expanded by Bernard Bass, 1981. Theory. Focuses on exchanges between leaders and followers, where leaders provide rewards or punishments based on performance. Relevance. Frequently applied in school management to ensure compliance and short-term results, using rewards and performance-based incentives for staff. 6. Contingency theory. Fred Fiedler, 1967. Theory. Suggests that the effectiveness of leadership is contingent upon the situation, meaning there is no single best way to lead. It depends on the context and circumstances. Relevance. In education, this theory helps administrators adjust leadership styles based on the environment, school needs, and challenges faced. 7. Servant leadership theory. Robert Greenleaf, 1970. Theory. Leaders prioritize the needs of others, especially their subordinates, focusing on serving rather than directing. Relevance. In schools, this can foster an inclusive and supportive environment, improving morale and engagement among teachers and students. 8. Learning theories. Behaviorism, B.F. Skinner, 1950s. Learning is a response to external stimuli. In educational management, this theory supports the use of reinforcement strategies in school policies and classroom management. Constructivism, Jean Piaget, 1936. Lev Vygotsky, 1978. Knowledge is constructed through interaction with the environment and social collaboration. Relevant for curriculum design and instructional strategies that promote active learning. Cognitivism, Jerome Bruner, 1966, focuses on mental processes and how students process and store information. Used in designing educational programs that enhance cognitive development. 9. Human capital theory. Gary Becker, 1964. Theory. Argues that investing in people, education, skills training, increases their productivity and economic value. Relevance. Often used in educational management to justify investments in professional development, continuous learning, and improving educational systems to enhance societal productivity. 10. Total quality management, TQM. In education, W. Edwards Deming. Theory. A management approach centered on improving quality and performance to meet or exceed customer, or in education, student and community expectations. Relevance. TQM principles are applied to educational settings to improve school processes, teacher performance, and overall educational outcomes. 11. Organizational Development, OD, Theories. Kurt Lewin, 1946. Theory. Lewin's model includes 3 stages: unfreezing, preparing for change; changing, implementation; and refreezing, solidifying change. Relevance. Educational managers use this theory when implementing changes in schools, such as policy reforms, curriculum development, and teacher training programs. 12. Systems theory. Ludwig von Bertalanffy, 1950. Theory. Describes organizations as open systems that interact with their environment, where different parts of the organization must work together effectively. Relevance. In educational management, this theory helps administrators see schools as systems that require coordination between different departments and stakeholders to function efficiently. 13. Distributed leadership theory. James Spillane, 2001. Theory. Leadership is shared across individuals and teams within an organization rather than being concentrated in a single leader. Relevance. In schools, this promotes collaborative leadership, where teachers, staff, and even students take on leadership roles to enhance school governance. 14. Expectancy theory. Victor Verum, 1964. Theory. Suggests that motivation is based on an individual's expected outcomes of their actions. Motivation depends on expectancy. Belief effort will lead to success. Instrumentality, success leads to rewards. And valence, the value of the reward. Relevance. School leaders apply this to ensure teachers and staff feel that their efforts will be rewarded and that these rewards align with their personal goals. 15. Situational leadership theory. Paul Hersey and Ken Blanchard, 1969. Theory. Effective leadership depends on the leader's ability to adapt their style to the maturity and competence of their followers. Relevance. School administrators use this theory to adjust leadership styles depending on staff experience, skills, and specific needs. 16. Equity theory. John Stacey Adams, 1963. Theory. Focuses on fairness in the workplace, suggesting that employees are motivated when they perceive fairness in comparison to others. Relevance. Applied in education to ensure fairness in treatment, compensation, and rewards for teachers and staff, preventing dissatisfaction and turnover. 17. Diffusion of innovations theory. Everett Rogers, 1962. Theory. Describes how new ideas, products, or innovations spread through cultures or organizations. Relevance. In educational management, it helps in understanding how innovations in teaching methods, technology, or policies can be successfully implemented in schools.